This is another video for the Walther PPX pistol. It's going to cover the cycle of operation for when it fires. So this is a semi-automatic pistol. It fires one shot for every time that the trigger is pulled, and it is a light double action type pistol. So what happens is it's what they call a pre-cock system, where the hammer is actually cocked, and the only thing that is retracting or pushing it forward is the trigger spring. So when it's pulled all the way to the rear, then it is actually able to, this one is empty by the way, it's actually able to fire, drop the hammer at full speed. So what you get is kind of a lighter trigger pull than a full double action, which has to actually retract that hammer and put all the pressure in, and actually retract that spring that's already pre-retracted. So it has about a 6.5 pound pull. Now it is recoil operated. This means that the barrel is free floating inside the frame, and it's kind of, you can see where it retracts a certain amount, and it is locked in with a slide, and then it retracts under recoil and impels the slide rearward. It stores the energy in what is called a recoil spring, and that allows it to retract all the way, and then it stores that energy, and then it comes forward again. So as it's coming back, it ejects or extracts and ejects the spent casing from the chamber, the empty one, and it strips a new one off of the box magazine and inserts it into the chamber. So then it's loaded again, ready to fire again, but it only fires one shot with every press of the trigger. So that's known as a recoil-operated semi-automatic pistol. This one is also known as a tilt barrel. You can see where, as it comes rearward, it tilts down out of the way from being locked in with the slide. So, and they also call it a locked breech, which is also important to an extent. This information does help in understanding why you load and unload the pistol in a particular order, and keeps you from having a dangerous condition of actually having an loaded gun when you thought it was unloaded. So the next video will cover the loading and unloading process.